Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make double chocolate cookies. We'll need softened butter. If you forgot to leave it out for a few hours, cut it up and microwave for a few seconds. White sugar, brown sugar, all-purpose flour, baking soda and salt, unsweetened cocoa powder, large eggs, vanilla extract, and chocolate chips to make it extra chocolatey. To the flour, add the baking soda and salt. Whisk it, add cocoa powder and whisk to combine. Heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. To cream the butter, use a hand mixer. I'm using my stand mixer only because I don't know which box my hand mixer is in. I was supposed to move, but that fell through, so I have to look through 100 boxes to find anything. Put the soft butter in your mixer. Cream that for a minute. Then add the white sugar and brown sugar. Cream for 1 minute. Scrape down the bowl and cream for another minute. Add the vanilla extract and the eggs one at a time until combined. Scrape that down and add the flour mixture little by little. When that's mixed in, add the chocolate chips. Here is the thick, chocolatey batter. Use a small ice cream scoop or a heaping tablespoon of dough and place on a sheet tray. Leave them like this or nudge the dough a little bit into a round shape. 6 big cookies fit on one tray. Bake in the heated oven for 8 to 12 minutes. Mine baked about 11 minutes. Take them out of the oven and leave the cookies on the hot tray for about 4 minutes. Then transfer them to a rack to cool. You can see they are soft, so give them enough time in the oven to bake. Don't take them out too early. These are chewy and have the perfect amount of chocolate. I can't even tell you how good they are. They're so easy to make, and you'll be happy eating them. I say them because it's hard to stop at just one. If you want to get notifications of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.